everyone, I'm Mandy from Garden, and I often get asked what it's actually like to have chickens in your backyard, how much care is required, and you know, just what's your routine like. So this morning I thought I would just show you what I do every morning to care for our chickens. So basically this is their coop, and the first thing I do is let the girls out if they want. Our chickens free range during the day when we're at home.
Oh god.
We have two dogs that have both been trained not to go after the chickens, and they kind of patrol the yard and keep any animals from coming in. So they're our little watchdogs. They're very excited. That's Sunny, and coming around the corner is Telly. And so there we go. All the chickens have names. Coming out is Penguin and Rosie and Tulip. And then you can see, so basically what I do is I let them out in the morning. I have their water here. They're actually in use of a refill. If it's full, I just dump out any of the dirt that's in there. But if it's, I just dumped it out, and you can see it needs fresh water anyways. If you can have your coop near where your water source is, it'll save you just a ton of time and energy. And it's, you know, it really doesn't take very long. I just give this thing a quick rinse. And like I said, if you're near, the dog always likes to drink out of this for some reason. If you're near wherever, good boy, if you're near wherever your water is, it just makes your life that much simpler and that much faster. Hi, baby. So we'll fill this up. He does this every time. He likes to drink out of the hose. Good boy, Sunny.
Good job, Lucy.
Yeah, that's our daughter Lucy. She helps with the chickens too, and she helped raise Penguin from just a little baby, so they're really close. Penguin always lets Lucy pick her right up.
Yep.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing about Penguin?
Because he's so cozy.
She is really cozy. She's really nice. I like her a lot too. And as you can see, we don't have a ton of chickens. We're going to be getting more actually this week that we'll obviously keep inside and raise up until they're ready to live with the bigger chickens. But we're excited to make our flock bigger. Okay, so you just have your water. It's so simple. It fills up. One kind of little hack that we have figured out, actually my husband Matt figured out, is we put this up just a little bit elevated. Chickens love to scratch and push some stuff around. So if it's on the ground, it just gets filled with whatever dirt is in there. And then I usually just kind of dump out any food that's, there's not a lot of food left. And the chickens get a scoop of their pelleted material. So again, it doesn't take very long to do this in the morning. Young chickens will crumble. The pellets are too hard for them to eat, but older chickens eat the pellets. They don't need a ton. I don't usually overfill it just because I like to give them fresh often, so this way I don't waste too much. And I just throw that in the corner. And then I just wanted to show you the simplest part. Some people kind of wait to clean their chicken coop out once a week or whatever, but we found that it's just so easy to do it every day. I grew up as a horseback rider, so we just mucked horse stalls every day. So I just kind of muck my chicken coop every day. So this is a kitty litter strainer. And you can see we have rice hulls as the bedding in here. Rice hulls are very inexpensive byproduct of the rice industry. They're the hulls on the outside of rice. And I literally just scoop it, and then watch this. I just throw it into my garden. Rice hulls are awesome for your garden too. They're lightweight, they keep moisture in, they allow bugs and worms to come to the surface. They add aeration. As they break down, they add a little bit of silica. And because they're so cheap, you know, I kind of just do like a light, like I grab the main pieces, give a little shake, and then just kind of throw them over my shoulder. But obviously I'm chatting, so it's taking me a little bit longer, but normally I'm telling you guys, like this routine is like 4 minutes. Like I just quickly scoop out, I look for any eggs, give a little shake. For the most part, they really aren't pooping in here because they're either free ranging or out in their run, and that's it. You can see if you want to take a peek in here, coop's all clean. And I just feel like if I spend, you know, couple minutes every day, I don't ever have to do like a major clean out, and the coop's always nice and clean for them every night. So that's that. Close that up. The other thing about chickens, Sunny, The other thing about chickens that's really cool is they actually, they come when they're called. They can be more responsive than my dogs. So we let them free range, and then when we're ready to put them in, if we have to go somewhere or we're not going to be at the house for the day, we're headed to the shop, we just put them back. So I'm going to show you how I call them in. I like to use a little mix of chicken scratch as well as mealworms or soldier fly larvae, and you can see they come right in. If they're far away, I'll call them, here chickens, and they kind of know that as soon as I open this bucket, this means it's, you know, treat time for them. And then that's it. And now they have fresh food, fresh water. Everybody's back in the coop. Their house is clean, and I can go on about my day. Thanks so much. Talk to you guys soon.